Hey guys, welcome back. Okay, so today I'm going to show you some dried pieces and announce the bundle giveaway that I'm doing. Hosting, I should say. Okay, so first things first. This is of my latest video, where I spun it out. This is the hair dryer blowout. Dried fabulous. It doesn't have a varnish on it yet. It dried in probably 18 hours or so, but it's nice and dry. I think it looks fabulous. Any of the pieces that I'm using, the primary elements or blingets, I refuse to varnish with anything besides resin. So I'm gonna have lots of pieces to resin. I just have to get a heat gun because my torch just destroyed a piece, and I will show you. I'm going to fix it. But I'll show you anyway when I show you that one. So here's this one. I think it's fabulous. Love it. Okay, put this one off to the side somewhere. Where? Right here. Okay, and then this is also the bloom that I spun out yesterday, I think it was 2 days ago as well. My last video, this dried perfect, and this was like 6 hours, 8 at tops. Just a small little 8x8, but it's fabulous. I love it. I think, well, I was thinking a few, maybe 4 or 6 of the 8x8s with the same colors, just layered differently on each one and then spun out, and having these blooms would look really nice on a wall. So probably my wall. But yeah, so there's that one. And this one I did off camera. This was spun as well. It is off center, but I actually love this one. This is probably one of my favorite ones. So there's that one, dried perfect, as you can see. We put those over there. Okay, so I don't know, I probably have like 50 or 60 dried pieces that I can show you guys. But that would just take all day. So I kind of just pulled some of my favorites. Now, again, these aren't varnished. But there is gloss varnish in it. So like this one, I wanted resin. So I just have to get a heat gun and then spend a day varnishing. This was a swipe. I have a video on this a while back, but this was a swipe, and then I dragged through my swipe line, you know, and tilted. And yeah, this is one of my favorite pieces. This was actually my first swipe with the bloom recipe. This was when me and Shelly did the swipe challenge. So there's that one. That is definitely one of my favorite ones. And get that one out of the way. And I'm probably not going to show you guys all these because you probably don't want to see all these. Maybe you do. Okay, here's a recent, this was a hairdryer blowout. I love this one. I think the colors are gorgeous, and with resin on it, oh, it'll just... this was, I think, some DragonFly blingets or DragonFly wings out of the set, I believe, and then some interference. So as soon as this gets a coat of resin, it'll just pop. It'll look just like it did when it was wet. And in the sunlight, which we are not having today because that's just Ireland, you could really see it. So we'll get that one all finished again when I get my heat gun. Okay, so that one dried nicely. Love it. I do feel like this new pillow paint that I'm using from Homebase gives me a way better finish than the Valspar did. It holds, the colors just stay more. I think it's because it's cheaper. So go for a cheap, maybe I'm suggesting, I don't know, but go for a cheaper house paint if you're doing this, because I believe it has less titanium in it. So your colors will stay. They won't, you know, get lost with the titanium. Hopefully that makes sense. Okay, so this is a bloom. This has some measles. I might have showed you guys this one. I'm not sure, but I love this one. Yes, it has measles, but you know what? I'm okay. I like it. Most of these pieces are, you know, for my enjoyment because I don't really put them up for sale, which I really need to. So as soon as I get some resin, I will stick some up. Okay, and then this was a late, I think this was like 3 or 4 videos ago. I got a bit of dust on it. But again, these aren't varnished. But this one's fabulous. I love this one. Hopefully you can see some of the... But again, once you resin these, I have resined. I'm going to show you it. It's flawed because I used my torch. I'll show you it now. I have to fix it, so I'm going to have to hit up Tammy and see if she can help me fix it. Let's see. So this was like done with like all primary elements, I believe. And the shimmer on it, ignore the divots. This is just 1 coat of resin anyway. I really hope, I'm going to kind of come around and see if I can get the shimmer in there for you guys. It's really stunning. So I have to fix this one. I threw resin on it and I only had my torch and it just destroyed it, so. But it is amazing, I think. So I have to fix this one. But I wanted to show you guys it anyway. Okay, and I apologize if nobody wants to see this. Just fast forward to the part where I'm talking about the giveaway. But I have a lot of people asking to see some dry results. Okay, this one, I do have a video, but it's not up on YouTube. If anybody wants to see this video, please comment and let me know. Just say the yellow corner one, or, you know, this was an overstretched swipe, and I was frustrated with it, so I was just like, whatever kind of thing, and was like, I'm totally scraping this anyway. But then it dried, and I was like, kind of just walked away, and I actually love this one. So I did not scrape, and it's got some interference in there, and I can see it, and hopefully you can. If you can't, just know it is there. So I think this is a, I don't know, 12 by 614 or something. Okay, so there's that one. Again, if you want to see that video, let me know. You guys have seen this one. Most of you have. There's that. Love that one. I'm going to go a little quicker on these, okay? This was another one I did just the other day. Love it. I'm going to show, oh, this one I wanted to show you guys. This was like a while, this was 6 months ago, I think. This was a double Dutch pour. This was not the bloom recipe, but I wanted to show you. I just hit 1 million views on this video, so that has never happened. So yeah, in 6 months, 1 million views on that video, so that's cool. I have that one. I have that labeled as double Dutch pour with metallics. There's lots of metallics in there. So if you want to have a look at that one, I did not do, I think I do have a video for this. I have a backlog of videos, guys, that I need to get up. Some I'm like, I don't know if it's worth your time watching them. But this is one, I love the colors. They're fabulous. And this was a overstretched swipe. Love that one. This was some blown blooms. With some dust on it. This was this pillow paint was the Valspar one. But it's pretty fabulous. It's very kind of pops out at you. Very 3D-ish. What else we got? This was one of my first 10 by 10 bloom recipes, I believe. Again, guys, if you don't want to see, just fast forward. I won't be offended. Won't even know. So I just did an entire video and on my giveaway and didn't realize that I had stopped recording. So I'm picking up where I think I left off. So this is a swipe that I did previously. There's a video for this. Love these swipes. Perfect. Okay, so I'm gonna stop there because I don't want to re-show stuff and go into the giveaway, but I will give you guys some eye candy to look at while I'm talking because my face is not presentable at the minute. Okay, so the giveaway. Sheleeart has given me a course to give away to one of my subscribers, and Leslie from Colourarte, the owner and inventor of all the beautiful products over at Colourarte, has given me a Big Bright Blooms set to give away to one of my subscribers as well. So it's going to be one winner, and with the Big Bright Bloom set you get 32 ounces of the Vivid Enamel, and you get 12 primary element colors, 30 ml jars, okay? And then for Shelly's online course, you know, she's the bloom recipe, or she's the bloom technique queen. So this is worldwide. If you've already taken the course, and if you still want to enter and you win, you can gift it to a friend, family member, or somebody in our art community. That's your business, but you could still enter if you've taken the course. And so the one winner will get the bundle. So you get the course and the Colourarte set. So thank you to Leslie and Shelley for allowing me to host this giveaway. It's very nice of you and awesome. So what you have to do to enter, it's kind of, you're going to have to jump around because this is a fabulous giveaway, so it's worth it. So, and I will list all the steps down below, but you need to go to Leslie's YouTube and the owner of Colourarte and click subscribe and comment on one of her videos, and you need to go to Sheleeart's channel on YouTube and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, and leave a comment on her video, and then come back to this giveaway video and comment below that you've followed all steps and you want to be entered, and you have to be subscribed to my channel as well. So if you're not subscribed, subscribe. And in 2 weeks time I will draw a winner. I might do like a live stream to draw the winner, maybe just, I don't know, have a chat with you guys and whatnot. We'll see. If that's something you guys want to do, let me know. So 2 weeks from the upload of this giveaway video, I will again list all the steps, and I will link Leslie's channel and Shelly's channel, so it'll be easy enough for you guys to jump around. If you're on your phone, there is like an upside down triangle right under this video. You just click on that and it'll drop down the description for the video, and you'll see it'll be like the first paragraph. I'll make sure that it's listed step 1, step 2, so on. So again, worldwide, so nobody's left behind on this one. And you get to take Shelly's online course for free, and you get a Colourarte, the Big Bright Blooms set from Colourarte. Okay, so thank you guys so much for allowing me to do this giveaway. I will list that all below, but that's it. That's pretty much it. That's an awesome giveaway, and the winner will be delighted, I'm sure. So I'm going to try and set up for a pour if I have time. If I don't have time, this video is going to end. If I do have time, it'll just carry over. And if it does end, thanks for watching. 2 weeks, we'll pick a winner for the bundle giveaway, and exciting stuff. So I will talk to you guys soon. All right, bye.